All right, so hopefully you guys got some value out of that. One of the other things we like to finish every show with is something we call the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something that we are using in our business that saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. So Bryan, what do you got for us today?
So today, what I did is I took a piece of something off my wall. When we first moved into this office about 4 years ago, we set up a studio, we had a microphone, we had our green screen wall, everything was great. But then I would listen to it and it sounded very echoey, and I couldn't figure out why. It sounded exactly like if you were to walk into a vacant home and have a conversation, how it doesn't have kind of that depth to it. I realized after doing one YouTube search that sound, if it's not grabbed by anything, it'll just keep bouncing around. And so you hear this little echoey, you hear if you've ever seen a video and it sounds hollow. So what we did is I got a bunch of these, and a lot of people will go, oh, you soundproof the room. No, this isn't soundproofing. This is just getting or making sure the sound waves, when they hit here, they don't bounce right back and hit the microphone, giving you that echo. So I've put these all over the walls of my office. 4 years ago, I put them up. Some are falling down, so I need to staple them back up. But I got these on Amazon. I got a big pack, I think a 20 pack for like $20.
They're sound deadening.
Oh, sound deadening.
Yes.
Sound. What's another word?
Sound dies when it hits them.
Yeah,
that's what happens.
But it's definitely not soundproofing. You can still hear what's going on outside the office, but it'll make your audio sound much more rich in your videos if you are in an empty room. Another way to do it is put carpet on the walls, put rugs or something on the walls. That works as well. But I like the look of this, so we want that.
Cool. The one I'm going to share today, I kept running into this issue where at the end of every day, I was just exhausted and I felt like my head hurt and the eyes hurt and everything. And so I made fun of a lot of people for having these. This sounds like a
magic pill.
Yeah.
But wait.
Made fun of a lot of people for having these, but I got myself, if you're watching on YouTube, you can see this. If not, you're on the podcast, you could watch the YouTube. But I got me some sweet, sweet blue blockers. And these lenses are pretty amazing. They basically
they're glasses.
Help block out the blue light that's coming from your screen. And I don't think we realize how much blue light our retinas are absorbing every single day. I just got these last week, and every day since I've had them, I've walked out of the office with significantly more energy than, I think I had them for 4 days last week. Significantly more energy those 4 days than the 4 preceding days. And I believe that it's just because my eyes are not straining to look at the screen. So I've felt a huge, huge difference just blocking some of that blue light out so that it's not coming through and hitting my eyeballs.
I think it's a placebo.
Completely tripping, but I look good in them too. So
you look just like me is what it is. Those are exactly. Tom and I have these glasses. We've had them the entire time we've worked here. All of a sudden, Kyle starts wearing them. He thinks he looks as cool as us. He doesn't. So
mine don't have ice cream stains on them. Yes, that's
my glasses are jacked.
So cool. Well, hopefully you guys. Oh, and the brand that I got, ANRRI. You choose how you want to pronounce that.
How would you pronounce it?
Henri. Yeah, ANRRI. They're like $25. You could buy more expensive ones. I probably will now that I feel like I'm seeing results from it. I just wanted to get a decent pair. I didn't want to buy the $5 ones, so I bought some 25s. But these are not the I don't know. They don't feel great. They don't feel.
Can you get prescription glasses with them as well?
Yeah, it's an option you could get on your prescription glasses. So you guys might be interested in doing that.
I need new glasses bad.
Yeah, I would definitely consider doing them. It's not going to hurt your eyes to block the blue out.
Does it mess with the color at all, Tom?
I don't believe so. Yeah, and they don't the original ones were yellow. They look
glasses.
Like you're about to go hunting or something. Now they just look like normal glasses. They don't look super, super awkward.
I looked into them 10 years ago. The Gunner glasses were the big name. But I was like, I can't have yellow glasses and edit photos. It doesn't work that way. So cool.
Sure. All right. Well, hopefully you guys got value out of the show today. Again, if you have questions you want to have answered on a future episode of the show, you can go to thewhisselway.com. You can ask questions on there. Subscribe to the podcast, the YouTube channel, join our referral network, join our Facebook group, and find out about upcoming events like our Media Mayor Mastermind, where what Bryan just did for 20 minutes here, you basically get that for 16 hours of just going super, super deep on video. Now you actually get to see it on the screen and step by step how to do all this fun stuff. So love to have you join us for the next one that should be starting up here in the next couple months. Thanks so much for tuning in to this episode of The Whissel Way.
See you guys soon.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.